Hey, this is Kayla with Benchmark, and in today's video I will be showing you how to connect to a GeoMax Zoom10 total station in FieldGenius Android. First, you'll need to get the Zoom10 ready to connect by turning it on, just like in this video here. Then from the main menu, press 5 to go to the settings. Then press 1 to go to the general settings. Now you'll press the page button in the top left of the keypad and hit that twice until you see port on the menu. And make sure the port is set to Bluetooth or BT for Bluetooth. Once that's set, you can press F4 for OK to save that setting. Then press Escape to get back to the main menu. Finally, press 1 to go to the Queue survey screen before trying to connect in FieldGenius Android. Now I'll go over to my data collector where I have FieldGenius already open on a project. I will go to Select Instrument and at the bottom choose Add Profile. I will select Total Station and change the make to GeoMax and the model to Zoom10. For the profile name, I'll just keep the default that comes up and click Create. Next, I will go to Setup Communication, make sure my connection type is Bluetooth, and then click Search. And I'll select the device with the serial number that matches my total station. And click Connect. Now I am connected and I can continue with the rest of my setup. That is everything for today's video on connecting to a GeoMax Zoom10 in FieldGenius Android. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.